brought me into this. You brought me into this.
Get it together, Gabby.
No.
I'm not the one addicted to oxy, am I?
Gabriella's next. What?
Sometimes we get sucked into things that are against our nature. Drugs are as vicious as they are powerful.
We all have free will. Gabriella had her own free will. And if you can't handle this, how will you handle the rest of our work?
Oh. What the fuck is that?
What is it? What is it?
I don't know what the fuck all of these things are. Medical supplies, I think, and there's a fucking bone cutter.
The craniosome.
I don't care what the fucking thing is called, Cecilia! There's this thing there that says play me. I'm not gonna touch that thing.
Hello, Matteo.